Hello guys, now we are going to study the face detection in an image using OpenCV. Like you have an image of certain persons and you just want to detect only the face. Your reason of interest is detecting the face. It has wide range of applications like attendance management system, home security, and in day-to-day life you can see in the Facebook when you are logged in into the Facebook, you can see when you are uploading an image, it will automatically detect the face and then recognize the face and then tag the persons. Okay, so first of all we will do the face detection in an image, and then we are going ahead, then we are going to do a project like face recognition. So first do in the image and then we will do in the live camera also. Okay, so like what we need to do, we need to take an image as an input like this, and then we need to detect the faces like this. Your output should be like this. Okay, we need to draw the rectangle over the face area. So you can take any image from your system, and we are going to use HAR Cascade classifier, that is the pre-trained model of the deep learning. We can use this model and this model will help us to detect the faces. So basically what is the HAR Cascade frontal face classifier? It is basically a model that people have trained with the several positive sample images like that have face, and several negative images that don't have the face, and after that the classifier is trained as okay and detect the like face area. Okay, so for the implementation part, we need to open an editor or Google Colab. Here I'm going to use Google Colab. So I have opened the Google Colab, and what I need to do, firstly I import the OpenCV library. Okay, and then what I need to do, I need to load the HAR Cascade frontal face default XML file, that is the pre-trained model. So I need to upload this pre-trained model, and then I need to read this file. Okay, basically it is a deep learning model. I'm going to upload this model like I have in my C drive. HAR Cascade frontal face default .xml. And one more thing guys, I need to take an image. On that image I'm going to do the experiment. So I'm taking this 6.jpg image. So here I have two things, one is the image and one is the pre-trained model. Okay, so I'll load this model and I'll read the image. So I'm just going to write here code face cascade okay, face cascade is equal to cv2 dot cascade classifier. This is the inbuilt function. I need to use this function cascade classifier. Python is case sensitive guys, so you need to take care like the upper and lower characters, uppercase and lowercase characters. Here I need to put the name of the file. What is the name of the file? You can see here the like Control C. I have copied from here .xml. And then what I need to do, I need to read the image on which I want to do this operation. So img is equal to cv2.imread, and inside the imread what I need to write, I need to write the name of the image 6.jpg. And I have already told you guys, for the further processing I'll convert this color image, BGR image to grayscale image. So there is a function CVT color inside the OpenCV. I'm going to use that function. So gray is equal to CV2 dot CVT color, and inside this I need to pass the image, two parameters, image and then the color. CV2 dot color from BGR to gray, BGR to gray. Okay, and now you can load this image. Okay, so till now I have converted the image from color image to grayscale image, and I have taken this model face cascade. Now I just want to show the image what is inside the gray. So I need to use this patch google.colab.patches import cv2 underscore imshow, and inside this I need to pass the gray. Okay, now you can see the image. Output would be the grayscale image. So this is the grayscale image. We are going to find out the faces over this grayscale image. Okay, so what next I need to do? I need to use a function, inbuilt function, detect multiscale. Okay, so for the face cascade model, like faces, I need to find out the faces. Faces is equal to, what is the name of the model? This is the name of the model, face cascade. You can copy from here and you can use. This is our model, and I need to call a function multiscale face cascade dot detect multiscale. Multiscale, and inside this I need to pass different parameter. First is the image, like grayscale image I'm going to use, and second is the scale factor. You can see here the scale factor, like first is image, then scale factor, then minimum neighbors, and then the minimum size, min size, max size, flags. I need to give these parameters. Okay, like whatever I'm taking the image, like this is the grayscale image, I just want to reduce the image or I just want to increase the image through the scaling. Okay, so scale factor, here I'm taking the scale factor is equal to 1.2. Okay, and then the next parameter is minimum neighbors. Okay, min neighbors, NEIGHBORS, min neighbors is equal to, I'm taking here the 5. These are specifies how many neighbors each candidate rectangle should have to retain it. And the next parameter I'm taking the minimum size. Minimum size is minimum possible object size. Objects smaller than this size should be ignored. Okay, so I'm taking min size is equal to 20, 20. So if any object having the size less than 20, 20, then it would be ignored. Okay, and then I need to print faces. You can see in the this output we got 5 parameters. Okay, like inside the array we have 5 sub arrays. Okay, basically those 5 sub arrays are the face coordinates of each detected face. Basically these coordinates are like, this is the x, y, w and h. Like x coordinate and y coordinate, and then the w is the width of the face and h is the height of the face. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a rectangle over the face area. We got the pixel locations of the face in the image, like a face that have 163 comma 253, and then the width is 61 and height is 61. Okay, so I'm just going to create a rectangle in this. So rectangle coordinates would be x comma y, and then x plus w and y plus h will be the bottom right corner. Okay, so this is the list of list. So I'm going to write a loop for I in faces. Okay, basically this I have four values here. Like this loop will run first time, it will take these four values. So here in place of I can take the four variables also, like x comma y comma w comma h. Okay, and then what next I can do, cv2 dot rectangle, and inside the rectangle I need to pass the image, and then the xy, the start point of the rectangle, and then the bottom corner x plus w comma y plus h, and then I need to give the color. You already know how to create a rectangle. So 0 comma 0, I'm creating a blue rectangle and thickness is 2. Okay, still I have created the rectangle only, I have not shown in the like output image. So for displaying in the output, what we need to do, we need to use imshow function. Okay, so cv2 for the Google Colab, cv2 underscore imshow, and for the other editor cv2 dot imshow, and then the wait key. So here I need to give the image. Okay, so what is the name of the image? IMG, because we have created the rectangle over the IMG. Okay, and you can see the output here. I'm just running this code. Here we got all the faces. Okay, sometimes it happens, guys, if you have downloaded an image from particular site and it's not providing all the faces. So for that you need to take the original image. Sometimes image is compressed, so face is not recognizing. So you need to take the good quality images. Okay, and you can also write this image, like I just want to write this image. So what I need to write, cv2 dot imwrite, and inside the imwrite what I need to pass, img, and one more parameter, that is the name of the image, like face detected dot jpg, or you can take the png, whatever you want, comma img, and there would be new image created, face detected dot jpg. Now you can see the face detected dot jpg is loaded here, and you can see this image. This is the image that have rectangle over the faces. Okay, so guys, now you know how to detect the face in an image using the Haar cascade classifier. And you know, Haar cascade classifier is a pre-trained model that in this model they have trained the model with millions of images, or millions of positive and negative images of the face. Okay, so next part what we will be do, we can detect the face in the live video also. Okay.